blink of an eye. 13 years have already passed. It was wonderful to witness your achievements and battles. Surely there were times when you thought about giving up, but you were strong and courageous enough to continue today. I write this song to tell you, BTS, you are the reason for so many smiles out there. You have given hope and light to so many of us. That's why I say thank you for being the light at the end of the tunnel. Today we remember the times we stayed together, holding hands even when separated by the vast ocean. We remember the times we smiled and cried with joy for being part of the same place, purple. BTS, you are the reason for so many smiles out there. You have given